How to set two factors authentication on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you step by step on how to turn on or how to set two factor authentication in Instagram. After you open Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, now go to this account center. After you open this account center, scroll to down and go to this password and security. After you open password and security, now tap on this. As you can see here, is it two factors authentication. Here is it two factors authentication. Tap on it. After you tap on it, now select your Instagram account. So in this section, go and tap on this text message. So tap on this. As you can see now, next. So from now, it will ask you to confirm your phone number. So tap on this confirm. If you want to change the phone number, you can change the phone number in this session. So I'll confirm my phone number. So as you can see now, it says two-factor authentication is on. So now tap on this next button now. Tap on this next button. So now it will ask you, as you can see now, it says now you can be able to add your email address. So I'll tap on this skip button. So that's it guys on how to turn on two-factor authentication in Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.